We have to get to the final trade of the day for you right now. Let's bring in Alan Knuckman. He's the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research. Hello, Alan.
Hello, Angie. We're streaking to end our summer. The bull market blowout has happened in years past ahead of holidays. Let's see where we go in the next few sessions.
You had a big winner with DraftKings. What other trades are in play?
All right, talking about that streak. We had DraftKings, took 100% here last week, so that's 3 weeks in a row of winners. It's all about Apple now. If you look at the markets, a breakout to new highs. We took 50% gain here, and we're getting close to our second half if we can see the Apple stock get to 156. We also have September plays for Freeport-McMoRan and Plug Power. The October plays include PLTR. We took profit on Monday, 50% gain on half of that, and also China Life Holdings, which is holding.
Tell us about your trade trigger for this week.
All right, our trade trigger for this week, it's in Advanced Micro. The Advanced Micro Ascent, we've seen a little bit of a pullback here. It's calm and consolidating now between 105 and 115. AMD, that would target a breakout of 125. Now let's remember, this stock had a big blast here just recently. In July, it jumped 40%. When it pushed through that 100 level, which were the old highs. Now it did come back to the recent low of 102, so it was a test and reject, which is very positive. Again, 125 is the target. It's been trading between 105 and 115 now for 3 full weeks. So we're leaning on that 105 level. The 105 calls for October, again, October about 45 days, month and a half anyway, trading around 1150. And it's deep in the money. So the 105 call, again, an in the money call with a high delta, 6 weeks at time to give us a big payoff if we see AMD ascend one more time.
What are your trading day takeaways?
All right, trading takeaway number 1. Apple Play. I can't talk about Apple enough. It had lagged the market. Coming into this week, it had moved up about 10% for the year, whereas the S&P and the NASDAQ had both moved up 20%, so it had some catch up to do. The technical target's 160 on that. Now, these new highs are very positive for the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. Number 2, better breadth. This is important because the market summer seemed like it kind of stalled because not all stocks were moving up, even though the indexes were. But what we've seen now is 70% of S&P stocks are now above their 50-day moving average, which is very important. That's double the number that we saw in the last few weeks. So everybody's starting to play ball. And number 3, 92 through. The dollar index, been talking about it for weeks, months, I guess going on years. The dollar index fake out breakout where it rallied above 94 has come all the way back down, and it's come to near the halfway point of 92 that we want to keep an eye on. If it can fall between 92, below 92, which is the midpoint pivot, then we'll look for more dollar fall in the fall. Autumn is near, but nothing new here.
Thanks for all that trader talk, Alan. Always a pleasure. Have a great Labor Day.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.